something?
Sir?
Do you need a fire department or something?
Yes, sir. Pardon me?
What's going on with you?
I got drunk.
Barely able to stand up and speak, but this body camera footage obtained by ABC 15 clearly hears 76-year-old Jesse Maya say, "I got drunk." He admits multiple times that he hit another driver at 75th Avenue and Glendale that December day, but decided to take off and go home. That victim reaching out to Operation Safe Roads, furious that a repeat offender who confessed to being drunk behind the wheel was not charged with a DUI.
And I sit at this intersection right here and I clench up.
His car and his memory stalled at this spot by anxiety.
Somebody hit me from the rear.
It was right here where another driver flew into his stopped car.
And I said, wait a minute, you hit me? And then, no, he was shushing me. He was shushing me.
A finger to his lips, telling him to be quiet as he drove away from the scene. John, who did not want to be identified for his safety, decided to follow, catching up with the suspect.
He went in his apartment. I parked behind him and I called the Glendale police. They came in a few moments.
I requested the call logs from the department. They arrived on scene within 2 minutes of the 911 call.
What happened?
I went and got drunk.
Officer Jared Ellis first asked Jesse Maya why he's struggling to walk and stand. He replies,
I got drunk.
The 76-year-old goes on to tell Officer Ellis he was drinking at a local restaurant before hitting John on his way home.
I know I did wrong.
But this isn't the first offense for Maya. He actually does not have a license because of a previous aggravated DUI.
I don't feel safe, but other people shouldn't feel safe either.
Glendale police did cite the driver for the hit and run here and driving on a suspended license. But why didn't they cite him for DUI and take him off to jail?
In the incident report, it says, due to the time frame since the call for service originated and Jesse leaving the vehicle, he was not investigated for driving under the influence.
It's not what you think happened, but what you can prove in court. That's what police and prosecutors look at.
I spoke with Phoenix attorney Jason Lamb, and he said in Arizona, proving a DUI requires a showing of impairment at the time of driving or a blood alcohol level in excess of the legal limit at or near the time of driving.
First, the driver could consume alcohol after the accident.
Because Maya left the scene and went inside, despite a confession, police can't prove he didn't drink inside before making contact with police, even if it was just a matter of minutes.
There would need to be a scientific analysis done. It's called a retrograde analysis to show what the driver's blood alcohol concentration was at the time of driving. And that's always subject to dispute in court.
If I could prove your DUI, you would be going to jail for DUI today. Okay?
He told you he was drunk.
It's understandably frustrating to drivers like John, who is only thankful he took the hit instead of a nearby student.
Those kids come from that high school and they're in this intersection. Luckily it was me, because he would have ran over a kid. Luckily it was me. And that right there bothers me.
But even Glendale police made it clear that day they would keep an eye out for Jesse Maya.
I work this beat every day. I'm going to remember you and that car. If I see you driving again, I'm going to take you to jail, okay? And if you're drunk, you're definitely going to get charged with that too.
That suspect is slated to appear in Glendale's Veteran Court on March 29th, where he can plead guilty or no contest. I also asked Glendale police to speak to me on camera about this story. They did decline. However, they did provide some information over email that we have included in this story on abc15.com/roads.